Good morning, first graders. Let's talk about adding three-digit numbers without regrouping. You just have to remember to always promise me, pinky promise, you're going to start in the ones column first, then you go to the tens column, and last you go to the hundreds. You always, always, always have to start in the ones, because if we have a number larger than 9, it goes over to the tens. And same, if we have a number that's larger than a 9, it has to go from 10 tens to 100. You remember the song, 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends, and it doesn't ever end. So I'm going to grab my pen right here, and we are going to add 2 plus 1. You do see how I did that? I started with the bigger number, 2 plus 1 more would make 3. Lining up your numbers is pretty important. Please remember to directly write the answer under the other numbers. You have to promise me you're going to do that too. It makes it so much neater. Now, 3 fits perfectly. There can be 3 ones. So now I go over to my middle tens column. 2 plus 2 makes 4. More. That's why we learned our doubles. It helps us with math. And now 4 works. Let's go over to our hundreds column. 7 plus 3. Oh my goodness. That is a sum of 10. 7 and 3 make 10. So I have to write a 10 here because that's my 1,000 column. That's super sweet, isn't it? So that's a pretty big number, 1,043. Let's go over to example number 2. I'm going to always start with the bigger number in the ones column. So 3 plus 2 more equals 3, 4, 5. Now I go to my tens column. 6 plus 1 more, 7. And then I will go to my hundreds column, which is 5 is the big number, plus 4 more. That's a double. Oh, that's a near doubles fact. I know 4 plus 4 is 8, so 4 plus 5 is going to be 9, and I put my 9 down here. First graders, I think you totally could do the next one by yourself. Look at that. 3 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, so 2 plus 3 must be 5. Very good. Now, middle column. 2 plus 2 makes 4. More. We remember our doubles rep, right, girls and boys? And 5 plus 1 is 6. So 523 plus 122 equals 645. Woo! Now we're on to example number 4. 6 plus 2 more equals 6, 7, 8. Put my 8. Oh, goodness gracious, my tool. 2 plus 1 makes 3. And 5 plus 3 makes 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So 526 plus 312 equals 838. You guys can totally do this. I believe in you. Maybe, just maybe, you could write these on your whiteboard right now. Write these 2 on your whiteboard. Add them up. Take a picture and send it to me on either Remind or on Seesaw, or send me a text. I want you to write 821 plus 124 and solve it. Then I want you to also do 352 plus 215 and solve it. I can't wait to see it. Will you do that for me? I would be super duper happy. I'll give you a jag paw. I totally will give you a jag paw. Have a great day.